Hi guys. Hey, I just tore apart my Traxxas late model, and what a greasy freaking mess. I mean, look at all this grease in here. Unbelievable that there's that much grease. I mean, man, that shit is just packed everywhere. When I ran it the other night with Jamie, it was so out of control, when the track got dry. And so I checked it when I got ready to leave. I just ran the two tires and grabbed one tire and, expected it to go the opposite way. And it just went the same way as the other side. So it was nothing but, basically a posi. And this is why. So definitely on your Mud Boss, your Traxxas late model, your Traxxas modified, tear the gearbox apart and get all this damn grease out of here, because all it's going to do is make your car really, it's not going to handle. It's going to be like it's got a posi. And yeah, this thing will be completely cleaned out, and we'll just have a little bit of like 3-in-1 oil on the gears and on the bearings, and that's it. That's all it needs. So, because this right here is robbing you a lot of lap time, it's robbing you control, and there's no need for a dirt oval car to have grease like this. Now, an off-road car, yeah, I can see it, but a dirt oval car, no. So this is that new transmission with the I forget what they call it, but the new Traxxas transmission, and like I said, that is just a mess. It will have none of that in there when I'm done with it. So anyway guys, hey, thanks for watching, take care, and hopefully this helps you out. Bye.